But let me back up so I don't get popped in the face with one of your fucking bullets.
Oh, I just felt something fly back on me. What was that?
The show.
Go ahead, it flew over here. It flew over here. It's done.
No, the clip didn't put
No,
the
you
Right
don't.
here.